So before introducing the complex numbers, you need to know about all the types of the numbers. First, whatever the sets of the numbers you have learned, natural number set. This is subset of, in this you are going to have the 1, 2, 3 and so on, all the numbers will be. This is subset of whole numbers. Yeah, outside this one, what will be there? ये place में क्या हो? What will be there in this place? What number will be there? Only 0 will be there, because whole numbers, na, whole numbers. Whole numbers is a subset of, whole numbers is subset of integers. In this place, what numbers will be there? Only negative integers, means -1, -2, -3 and so on, like this one. Negative integer. Integers is subset of rational numbers. Integers is subset of rational numbers. इस place में किस type of numbers will be there? P by Q form. ये भी P by Q form है. हाँ बोलो. Q not equal to 0 is the rational numbers form. वही बोलते हैं. I am asking which type of the numbers will be there in this part. Yes, fractional number, but you can say that fraction is nothing but negative will not. When you are saying fractional, negative numbers will not be, because fraction is nothing but fractional part. Whenever you are saying, it is nothing but only 2 by 3, 5 by 6. But in this, you are going to have -5 by 6 also. So you have to say that the numbers which are in the form of the P by Q, where Q not equals to 1 and 0, and P and Q are not equal. See, बोलने का तरीका देखो. Is it right or not? If Q equal to 1, ये numbers होगा, integers होगा. If P and Q are equal, number 1 होगा, वो दी. So that's why P Q equal नहीं होना है, Q not equal to 0 होना है, because as per the rational numbers हो गया. But here we are going to have the numbers which are in the form of the P by Q, where P and Q are integers. वो भी बोलना है. So इस पार्ट में होने वाला numbers को मैं इधर लिख रहा हूँ. ये condition, the numbers which are in the form of. So if you want, write in a set the numbers which are in the form of the P by Q, where P comma Q belongs to integers. Q is not equal to 0, Q is not equals to 1, comma P is not equals to Q. इतना कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होने वाला P Q फॉर्म में क्या है, वो नंबर्स इस पार्ट में होगा. सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म ऑफ द दिस. सो लाइक दिस एवरी पार्ट को यू हैव टू इंटरलिंक. तो सेट्स वाला इंटरलिंक कर लिया मैं इधर आके. Isn't it? Yes. P equal to if you are taking, whenever you are expressing the numbers in the P by Q form, it should be in a simplest form. That is a condition. Rational numbers, whenever you are expressing, it is in a simplest form. P by Q. Okay, very good question you asked. P is 24, Q is 8. सर ये condition satisfy नहीं हो रहा है, 3 होगा. ये condition satisfy हो रहा है, ये सारा conditions पे satisfy कर रहे हैं. Still more, okay, very good. Still more accurately, if you want to write, here P not equals to Q लिखने से, P is not equals to K into Q, some constant into K. It should not be the problem. Actually क्या है ना, rational number कभी भी express करो, any rational numbers, it should be the condition of expressing the rational number, representing means expressing the rational number is, and two conditions will be there. In 8th class book you may find out, 8th class maths book में और 7th class में हो, rational number expression. What are the conditions? Two conditions. One condition is compulsory, it should be in a simplest form, and denominator should be positive. आप कभी भी मैथ्स में देखो 2 by -3 कभी नहीं लिखते. 2 by -3 लिखते हैं, उसी को -2 by 3. isn't it? So this is also one more condition, expressing the rational number. The rational number को express करने का way, that is the one way of expressing the rational. Is it clear? Yes, if you write like this, still more accuracy will be there. Okay, this is about the rational numbers. Okay, rational numbers. Then irrational numbers. Irrational numbers is completely subset. It's not at all subset of the any numbers. Okay, they are not subset. It is completely different. इसको साइड में आ जाएगा. ये irrational numbers. We represent it by the q dash. ये पूरा rational and irrational together will be considered as a real numbers. Rational and irrational together is considered as a real numbers. So real numbers are usually denoted by the R, like this. R से represent set of the real numbers. So why two lines are ऐसा? ये standard representation. Normally R लिख दिया तो relation भी हो सकता है. तो ऐसा डबल लाइन लिख कर रख दिया तो इट इज रिप्रेजेंट्स दैट सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स. इधर भी आप डबल लाइंस के साथ लिख दिया, उसका मीनिंग सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स. इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक मे नॉट बी देयर, बट इन स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड टेक्स्ट बुक्स में whenever you see that double lines के साथ लिख दिया तो set of the real. These are all till now we have all numbers discussed only the real numbers. अभी तक हम रियल नंबर्स के बारे में ही सीख लिया. इज इट विजिबल टू यू? आपको दिखाई दे रहे? उधर नहीं?
Yes sir.
Okay. So now real numbers.
Yes sir.
Now complex numbers means actually irrational numbers के बारे में ज़्यादा बोला नहीं है. Irrational numbers means what numbers? Can anyone tell? Irrational numbers. Which type of? Non-terminating, not simply non-terminating. Non-terminating, non-recurring. Since non-terminating. Okay. The numbers, there are expressing the irrational numbers two different ways. Expressing the irrational numbers two different ways. The one is square root of n, where n is not perfect square. N is not a perfect square. ये perfect square नहीं होना. That means square root of 4. It's a rational number, not irrational. Square root of 3. Square root of 4. Square root of 5. 5 is irrational because 5 is not a perfect. Square root of 9. 9 if you are taking. 9 is perfect square. So it's not irrational. So not perfect square होना है. Then these form of the numbers are all called irrational numbers. Okay. Another form is that nth root of a. We usually call in mathematics terminology, we call these as a surds. Actually surd आप लोग बहुत आपका टेक्स्ट बुक में यूज ही नहीं किया है. आप 6th to 12th क्लास टेक्स्ट बुक्स में एनसीईआरटी में देखो सर्ड वर्ड ही यूज नहीं होता. बट देयर इज अ वर्ड इन मैथमेटिक्स सर्ड. सर्ड इज नथिंग बट nth root of a, where a is not nth power of any real number. समझ में आया? ऐसा बोल दिया नहीं. Suppose if I am saying that what is this number? It is 2. What is mean by this one? इसका मीनिंग क्या है? 8 power 1 by 3. It is nothing but 2 cube whole power 1 by 3. 3 will get cancelled. You get 2. This is what here 8 को a का प्लेस में we are writing nth power. I mean 2 इधर n प्लेस में 3 है. Third power of some real number. Some real number is what we have 2. 2 का third power में लिख रहे हैं. So that's why this is not irrational number. It is rational number. If you are not, means we are a is not nth power of any real number, then we call this as a third, and the thirds are also called irrational number. बहुत ज्यादा एक्स्ट्रा एक्स्ट्रा है ये आपको सर्च में अगेन टाइप्स ऑफ द सर्च आल्सो इट इज कंप्लीटली इरेशनल नंबर्स का टॉपिक है. ओके, सो टिल नाउ जस्ट इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहा हूं मैं व्हाट इज मीन बाय अ सर्च, एंड इट टेक्स अ वन पीरियड टू एक्सप्लेन अबाउट कंप्लीटली सर्च के बारे में बोलना. मोर देन वन पीरियड आल्सो टाइप्स ऑफ द सर्च विल बी देयर. ओके, एंड how do we operate means operations on the search will be there. Okay, this is third word. Third is also irrational. So what is the meaning of that nth root? ये दोनों interlinked है, इसका बीच में कुछ नहीं लिखा है तो मीनिंग क्या है? It is nothing but n power 1/2 है, ये 2 है. Square root, it is cube root, it is nth root. We read it as nth root of a, nth root of a. So that is called search. This type of the numbers also comes under the irrational numbers. And whatever you said, non-terminating, non-recurring decimals. Decimal form में भी होता है. इस नंबर को √2 है. √2 को डेसिमल में एक्सप्रेस करो. What do you get? 1.414 and so on, like this continuation will be there. How do you find out the square root of 2? Do you know? The method of finding the using the division method. डिवीजन मेथड में स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 फाइंड आउट करना पता है? नहीं. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एनी नंबर, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 10, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 100, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 100 तो 10 है, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 101 दे दिया मैंने. कैन यू फाइंड आउट डेसिमल मेथड? डू यू नो? ओके, सो डेसिमल मेथड विल बी देयर. आई विल एक्सप्लेन टू यू that decimal method यूज करके आप फाइंड आउट कर लिया तो then you are going to get the non terminating, non recurring. termination will not be there, वो continuation जाते रहे, and no chance of repetition भी नहीं हो. So I will explain to you how do we find out the square root of the numbers. These all the numbers are called irrational numbers. We call them as a irrational. Actually complex numbers introduce करने के लिए मैं ये सारा बोलना पड़ता है, बिकॉज बेसिक थिंग्स आर नीडेड कंपल्सरी. आपको बेसिक थिंग्स कंपल्सरी चाहिए, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स. टिल नाउ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर इंट्रोड्यूस ही नहीं किया. सो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एनी नंबर हाउ डू वी फाइंड आउट? सपोज 2 है, 2 फाइंड आउट करना है, 2 का स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट करना है बाय यूजिंग द डिवीजन मेथड. 2 बोलो और 101 बोलो. सर 101 बोलो, 101 or any decimal number also, 101.23. इसका रूट फाइंड आउट करना. सपोज इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट 101.235, आई एम आस्किंग यू दिस वन स्क्वायर रूट. नाउअडेज आप लोग 12th यानी ग्रेजुएशन होनी, पीजी कंप्लीट होनी मैथमेटिक्स में, ये फाइंड आउट करने के लिए बोल दिया तो कैलकुलेटर यूज करते हैं, बिकॉज यही बहुत ज्यादा लोगों का गलत है. आपको मेथड पता होना है, यूज भी करना है मेथड whenever it is used. So what to do here to find out the square root of this one? डिवीजन मेथड बोलते हैं. डिवीजन करना, फर्स्ट क्या करना है, ये डेसिमल पॉइंट के लेफ्ट साइड से 2 डिजिट्स को ब्लॉक करके रखना है. एक ग्रुप बनाना लेफ्ट साइड से, इधर से स्टार्ट करके लेफ्ट साइड, एंड उधर राइट साइड से 2 नंबर्स को. इधर तो बाद में क्या है, 0 है. डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद 0 होता है ना, हाँ, वो कंटिन्यूएशन हो जाएगा. Now here 1 is there. First number is what? 1. 101 नहीं लेना, 1. 1 का nearest square root क्या है? 1. So 1 1 है 1. Subtract कर. 2 digits को at a time done. This is the procedure to find out the. Why do we take the 2 digits? This is a procedure to find out the square root of the number. Okay? ये 2 digits को इधर लेना. अब लेने के बाद ये 1 इधर है ना, ये 1 को 1 ऐड कर. Now what to do here? Whatever the number you write, here also same number you have. Here whatever the number you write, here also same number you have. Okay. So what do you get here? Suppose इधर तो कुछ भी नहीं लिख सकते because 001 है. So what do we write? 0 लेना. 20 0 था 0 because 1 है ना इधर. Suppose here if you are having 100. 24 4 is 96. 4 इधर लिखना है तो 4 भी इधर लिखना है. 24 4 is 96 है ना, तब आ जाएगा. So now 1. इधर डेसिमल पॉइंट है, इधर डेसिमल पॉइंट लिखना है, 2 डिजिट को लेना है। सेम ये 0 को इधर ऐड करना है, 20 plus 0 20. इधर से whatever the number is right, you write have to write here same. समझ में आ रही? तो ऑब्वियसली इधर 1 लिख दिया तो 201, इधर 1 लिखना है, 201 1 का 201 हो जाएगा, बट ये नंबर स्मॉल होना है, अगेन 0 0 123. स्टिल 2 मोर डिजिट्स को लेना है, लेके ये 0 का इधर ऐड करना, 200 होगा. Here whatever the number you write, here also same number. Suppose here it is 12,350. So ये इधर 1 लिख दिया तो 2000 होता है, isn't it? Approximately I'm saying. So 2006 are 12,000. So you can write 6 here. You can write 6 here, na? 6 if you write 2006 6 ja. 6 is 36, 12,036 आ गया. तो इधर 6 लिख दिया तो इधर भी 6 लिखना. So 12,036. अब कंटिन्यू करो सेम प्रोसीजर हियर. So what do you get here? 4 1 3 340. और उसके बाद क्या करना है, वो 6 को इधर लिखना है, ऐड करना है, 2012 हो जाए. इधर whatever the number you write, इधर one same number. But before that here no digit is left over. You need to take the 2 zeros. इसके बाद 2 zeros होगा ना. ये प्रोसीजर करते जाना है. अब यो नेवर एंडिंग है. That's why it is non-terminating. Okay. As we did root 2 का फाइंड आउट करना, 2 फाइंड आउट करना, 2.00000000 होगा. थोड़ा फास्ट करता हूँ मैं, सेम प्रोसीजर. 1.414 कैसे आएगा दिखाता हूँ. इधर फर्स्ट 2 2 2, ये 2 है. नियरेस्ट परफेक्ट स्क्वायर इज 1 1 1 का 1, सबट्रैक्ट करो 1 आ जाएगा. ये डेसिमल पॉइंट है, डेसिमल लिखो. ये 2 डिजिट्स को इधर ले और वो 1 इधर ऐड करना, 2 आ जाएगा. इधर व्हाटएवर नंबर यू टेक सेम. मैं बोला है ना 100 होता है, 24 4 का 96, 4 4 96, इधर 4 आ जाएगा, 2 जीरोस ले, वो 4 इधर लिखो, ऐड करो. So what do you get? 24 plus 4 28 हो जाएगा. Here whatever the number you write, same number you have to write. 2 you can add right, 1 only, because 2 if you write more than 400 here, 1 1 281 281 subtract करो. So what do you get? 190 we have to do. और again 2 zeros ले, वो 1 को इधर लिखो, 282 को. This is 11,900. Here this is 2,000. 2005 means 2005 the approximately possible. Let us check करना है. There is no other alternate. 2825 5. But ये 2825 means approximately to 3,000. Approximately I'm taking. तो मल्टीप्लाई करने का जरूरत नहीं. 3,005 का 15,000, ये बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ रहे हैं, तो बेटर यू टेक 4. 3 4 the 12 नियर बाय आ सकता है. ये मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ये अभी जब दोबारा बड़ा हो गया 3 ले. सो इफ यू कंटिन्यू लाइक दैट 1.414 आ जाएगा इधर एंड कंटिन्यू हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नॉन रिकरिंग डेसिमल्स हो जाए. ऑल दीज आर कॉल्ड इरेशनल नंबर्स. वेरी 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 बेसिक थिंग्स. दीज आर ऑल वो 7th 8th क्लास का बेसिक्स, 7th 8th class का बेसिक्स ये थी. These are all the things you have to know that. Now let us come into the point of complex numbers. Which numbers are called complex numbers? हमको ये सारे numbers हमको क्या दिख रहे हैं, वो सारे numbers, these are all the numbers are called real numbers. These rationals and irrationals all together will be considered as a real numbers. Real numbers both. Our complex number is nothing but is it which type of the numbers will not be in its real numbers. Means square root of negative number if you are taking, square root of -1 if you take, this will not be there in the real numbers. These type of the numbers are called complex numbers. And square root of -1 will be taken as with the symbol I imaginary number. I represents imaginary number. Imaginary. So square root of -1 को I लिखते. Suppose if I am taking square root of -3, which is given to you in your textbook. So what you have to write here? Square root of 3 into square root of minus 1. Square root of 3 value, square root of 3 only. And this value I. So this is root 3I. So this is called the complex number. That means the numbers which are in the form of the a plus bi. The numbers which are in the form of the a plus bi are x plus iy or a plus ib. These numbers are represented by z. Complex numbers are usually will be denoted by the z. This type of number. In this number is called real number, real part. They call it as a real part, and this is called imaginary part. Imaginary part. Here x is a real part. That means you may have the numbers in the form of 2 plus 3i. This is complex number. In this 2 is a real part and 3 is a complex. Suppose square root of 9. ये और ये दोनों सेम पता. If I write 2 plus square root of minus 9, this is equal to 2 plus 3i. Why? Because square root of minus 9 is nothing but square root of 9 into square root of minus 1. Square root of 9 value plus 3. And this is I, 3i. So either 3i. This type of the numbers are called complex numbers. And now let us see the powers of I. I का powers कितना होता है? Powers. How do we take the powers of I? Based on this only, we are going to have the problems which are based in the exercise 1 में. I का powers. I is nothing but actually square root of 1. Then I square क्या होगा? इसको square करना. So we are going to get minus. I cube क्या होगा? I square into I. I square value minus 1. This is minus I. I cube value. I power 4 value 1 plus 1. I power 5 value again I होगा. ये आ जाएगा. I power 1 value I power 2 value minus 1. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Okay, I will explain you. I power 1 है ये. That is I on. I power 2, I power 3, I power 4 is equals to 1 हो जाएगा. I power 5 value again I power 6 value minus 1. I power 7 value minus I power 8 value plus 1. From this, can anyone tell me I power 2021 is equals to what? Huh? We are going to get 2021. That means you can say that these are all the numbers are a power देखो. I power 4k multiple of 4 1 होगा. I power 4k plus 1 this form. 5 आने दो, 8 आने दो, whatever it may be, is equals to I. I power 4k plus 2 minus 1. I power 4k plus 3 minus I. So these things you can remember now. No need to remember. ये बेस्ड में आप ये बदल. 2021 which form में है? 2021 is in what form? 4k plus 1. So that's why this is equals to I. I is nothing but it's an imaginary part representation. Imaginary part का represent करने के लिए वो symbol ले लिया है. One symbol. Square root of minus 1 value is, and it was taken that square of any number will not be negative usually. Till now, real numbers. अभी से आप लोगों को क्या होगा? Compulsory mention करना है. वो real number है, complex number. Because it is what introduces the complex numbers to you. अभी तक नंबर बोल दिया तो रियल नंबर, बस अभी तक तो आप लोगों का नंबर बोल दिया था रियल नंबर, बट नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स 11th स्टैंडर्ड ऑनवर्ड्स नंबर बोले तो वो रियल नंबर हो सकता है, भी कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर भी हो सकता है. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? So based on this, you can solve the exercise problems, whatever it is given to you in your textbook. And you are going to have the algebra of the complex numbers. Algebra of the complex numbers means it's a very simple here. Two complex numbers add kar. Two complex numbers add karne ke baad addition and multiplication of complex numbers. So complex numbers ko multiply karna hai. Suppose z is equals to x1 plus y1i. Okay, example, let us take 2 plus 3i, z1 equals to. If I take z2 is equals to 3 plus 4i. दोनों को multiply करो. z1, z2 is nothing but normal, just like a algebra में कैसे multiply करो. ये इसको multiply करो. 2 3 जा 6 हो जाएगा. Plus 2 8i, 2 into 4i. Plus 3 9i. Plus 12i square. I square value minus 1. So 6 plus 17i minus 12. 6 minus 12 is equals to minus 2. Sorry, minus 6 plus 17i. The product of these two, product of two complex numbers is also a complex. ये समझ में आया? Do you have any doubt here? Huh? Is it clear? So like this, the product of it. So algebra of the complex numbers is nothing but addition of the two complex numbers, subtraction of the two complex numbers, multiplication of the two complex numbers. Then what about the division of the two complex numbers? Division is nothing. Multiplicative inverse. We have to do. 4 को 2 से divide करो. बोल रहा हूँ. If I am asking you to divide the 4 by the 2, it means that you can multiply the 4 with the multiplicative inverse of 2. Multiplicative inverse of 2 क्या है? 1 by 2. But in the case of the multiplicative inverse of the complex number, if you are taking, z is a complex number. Suppose here 2 plus 3i. Z is equals to 2 plus 3i. 1 by z क्या होगा? 1 by 2 plus 3i. Isn't it? So z का multiplicative inverse 1 by z. So then if you want to multiply this one, डिवीजन करना, तो डिवीजन करने से पहले आई एम इंट्रोड्यूसिंग द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ द कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स. सो इसको ऐसा नहीं लिखते हैं नॉर्मली. व्हाट टू डू हियर? 2 plus 3i ऐड करो. सॉरी 2 minus 3i. कंजुगेट बोलते हैं. कंजुगेट के बारे में बोल. सो कंजुगेट you have to multiply in the numerator and denominator. Then you are going to get numerator as 2 minus 3i by 4 plus 3. Sorry, 4 plus 9. समझ में आया? How? 2 plus 3i into 2 minus 3i क्या है? 2 plus 3i into 2 minus 3i. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. So 2 square is 4 minus 9i square. I square is minus 1 plus 4 plus 9. So which is equals to 2 minus 3i by 30. That's right. If any complex number is taken to you, x plus iy or a plus ib, if z is equals to x plus iy complex, its multiplicative inverse is 1 by z is equals to x minus iy by x square plus y square. Same process if you do it. करके दिखाओ. यही आ जाएगा. ओके दिखाओ. 1 by x plus iy. X minus iy by x minus iy. So what do you get here? X minus iy by x square minus iy whole square. So what do you get here? X minus iy by x square plus y square. This is the multiplicative inverse of the complex number. Complex numbers का multiplication. Our division is nothing but, suppose if I am asking you to divide 2 plus 3i with 3 plus 4i. Divide करने के लिए बोल रहा हूँ. How do you divide? मल्टीप्लिकेशन तो आपको पता है. So if I am asking you to divide the two complex numbers को divide करने के लिए, then what to do here? 2 plus 3i into 1 by 3 plus 4i, है ना? So what is 1 plus 4i? 2 plus 3i, 3 minus 4i by 3 square plus 4 square. Multiplicative inverse. तो सभी बोला है ना, सेम है मल्टीप्लिकेटिव. Now here denominator में ये 3 square plus 4 square है, 9 plus 16 25. तो 25 आया. ये दोनों को नॉर्मली मल्टीप्लाई करके 25 लिखना है. So what do you get here? 6 plus 12. 6 plus 12 है ना? -8 plus 9 plus 1i. मैं डायरेक्टली कर रहा हूँ. This into this -8i, this into this +9i. So 1i will be left over, divided by 25. So 18 plus I by 25 is nothing but 18 by 25 plus I into 1 by 25. The product of these two complex numbers is, quotient of these two complex numbers is like this. You need to find out the complex numbers का division. समझ में आया? So this is the introduction of the